Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today I'm going to review the Google Pixel 5a with the 5G. It is having the Snapdragon 765G SoC, 4680 mAh battery capacity, and IP67 build launched. And let's go for this specification and the price and the review. So let's begin. Google Pixel 5a 5G comes with the same dual rear camera setup as the Pixel 4a 5G with the 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel sensor. Google Pixel 5a 5G has been silently launched and it comes with the same design as the Pixel 4a 5G from September last year. In fact, not just the design, most of the specifications remain the same as well. Google has only made a few changes to the new phone while making it a bit cheaper. Pixel 5a 5G comes with a slightly larger display, featuring a dust and water resistant rating and much larger battery compared to the Pixel 4a 5G. While the Pixel 5a retails with a bundle charger, Google has reportedly confirmed that the Pixel 6 series will not come with a charger in the box. And when we go to the price and availability of the Google Pixel 5a 5G, this phone is priced at $449 and roughly rupees 33,400 for the sole 6 GB of RAM plus 128 GB of internal storage model that is offered in a single color called mostly black. It is available for pre-order in the US and Japan, the only two countries where it will be sold. The phone will go on sale starting August 26th. For comparison, the Pixel 4a 5G is priced at $499, roughly 37,100, and making the newer improved model 50, roughly 3,700 rupees cheaper. The Pixel 4a 5G also did not come to the Indian market. As we go for the specification for the Google Pixel 5a 5G, this phone is running the Android 11 and features a 6.34-inch Full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixels OLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate at 20:9 aspect ratio, a 413 ppi pixel density, and a HDR support. The device is slightly larger than the Pixel 4a 5G 6.2-inch display. The new phone is powered by the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC paired with the Adreno 620 GPU. It packs a 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. For photos and videos, the Pixel 5a 5G has pretty much the same dual rear camera setup as the Pixel 4a 5G with a 12.2 megapixel primary sensor. There is an f by 1.7 aperture lens and a 16 megapixel sensor with an f by 2.2 ultra wide angle lens. The difference is that the ultra wide shooter on the Pixel 5a has a slightly wider field of views, which is FOV at 118.7 degrees compared with the 117 degrees on the Pixel 4a 5G. Another difference is that the laser autofocus has been removed in the Google Pixel 5a 5G. At the front, there's the same 8 megapixel selfie shooter camera with an f by 2.0 aperture housed in a hole punch cutout located at the top left corner of the display. Connectivity options in the Pixel 5a 5G include the dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, NFC, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. Sensors on board include the proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyrometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, and barometer. There is a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner as well. The phone packs a 4680 mAh battery as I told in the introduction, and it is having the 18-watt fast charging support also, or the technology. The battery is bigger than the Pixel 4a 5G, which is 3885 mAh battery capacity. The Pixel 5a 5G also comes with the IP67 water resistant and dust resistance. And in terms of dimensions, the phone measures 154.9 by 73.7 by 7.6 millimeters and weighs 108 grams. And One more thing I want to say from Google, that Google made that Pixel 6 series official earlier this month by showing off the design and some of the specifications. Now, a report by The Verge citing Google states that the Pixel 6 will not come with a charger in the box. Google has reportedly said that the Pixel 5a 5G will be the last phone to include a charger, saying that most people already have a USB Type-C charging brick. If you want more videos like this, you have to subscribe, share with friends, relatives, family members who know that. And if you want to watch my previous video, which is the Motorola Edge 20 review, click here. And if you want to watch the one before that, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 review, click here. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.